Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is the middle of winter here in Iowa. Yes, this is the time of year that I like to buy my sports cars, so we have a delivery almost here. It is our Z06 Corvette Replacement, our summer car for this year. So stick with us as we go check this thing out. There it is, guys. The middle one on that trailer. It is another Porsche. It's not a Boxster this time, but it's a little better, guys. We're getting a 911 convertible. It's gonna be sweet. All the way from Texas, guys. This thing is a 2018 911 Carrera GTS Cabriolet. It's pretty sweet in the chalk color. Center lock wheels. We'll get a cold start on this thing for you here in a second once we get this Ford off the trailer. Let's see how this flat 6 3.0 twin turbo sounds. Squeaky brakes. You're good. There it is, guys. GTS. Love that color. It's like actually one of my dream colors in a Porsche. Guys, we are in a 911 GTS. Let's get this thing into the driveway. I have to check the tire pressures there from Texas to Iowa. Do a little walk around here, guys, before I go get it cleaned up. So it did have some curb rash. I knew about this wheel, so we'll probably try to just touch that up. But I did not know that it had PPF on the front end. So it has it on the front bumper, up here on the fender, and on the hood. So I guess that's good and bad. I hate that stuff because once it gets old and brittle, it's a pain to get off. But protects it from rocks. So, and one other thing that I found, I thought I was gonna have to get some bumper plugs, which I already ordered up to fill these holes, but it's a pretty sweet looking setup, so they don't even go into the bumper. So I'm really excited about that, so I can get that off of there and won't have holes in the bumper. But other than that, it's gonna need a detail. Gotta go to the car wash quick, get the bird crap off of it, and then see what this thing's all about. So Alright guys, here's just a quick little interior shot. It was a little cold outside, but we took the top down here in the garage. But it's got the GTS package with all the Alcantara. I'm not a big fan of the Alcantara on the steering wheel though, because it's all got the oil from your hands. It's all matted down up top, which is kind of a bummer, but otherwise it's in good shape. The red seat belts, red stitching, that's part of the GTS package. Alright guys, just going to show you the build sheet on this GTS real quick so you can see all the different options that it came with. So Cabriolet GTS, it didn't have the rear axle steering option or PDCC, but as you guys probably know, with the GTS it comes with all the goodies already for options. The ones that I was interested in specifically were the 18-way seats with memory package, so I can program those for the wife and I. And then of course the GTS package comes with Sport Chrono and the Sport exhaust already, which was a must-have, in the chalk, the color that I've wanted for so long in a Porsche. So you can see all the different priced options here. Chalk was pretty spendy, $3,000, so it's not a super common color. I mean, one of the ones that people go towards when they pick a custom color, if they're not going paint to sample, is chalk, but they're just not as readily available as like the whites and the reds, that's for sure. So, but yeah, nothing too crazy on this build. It does have the sport design package, which gets you a little bit bigger lip here in the back on the spoiler. And then yeah, that's pretty much it for a grand total of $158. But I found this thing down in Texas, guys, and it was too good of a deal to pass up, and it had only been listed for 2 days, so hopped on this thing, and I think we're gonna really enjoy it. So it's a little cold here in Iowa today, but trust me, once it warms up here, we're gonna get some more videos in on this GTS, so stay tuned. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. This is going to be an awesome summer toy, and we'll do some comparisons from the old Boxsters that we had and compare it to the 911s and see what we think. So thanks again for watching, guys. Have a good one.